Hello students. Today we will discuss about part programming. The topic covers in computer integrated manufacturing 6 semester as well as 8 semester. Before part programming we will discuss about NC and CNC. NC meaning numerical control and CNC meaning computer numerical control. What are the basic difference between NC and CNC machines there? Here is a table of difference between NC machine and CNC machines here. And that first difference in between. In NC stands for numerical control while CNC stands for computer numerical control. In NC defined as the machine which is controlled by the set of instructions in the form of numbers, letters and symbols. The set of instructions is called as program. In CNC is defined as the machine which is used to control the motion of the workpiece and tool with the help of prepared program in computer. The program is written in alphanumeric data. A third difference, in NC machine the programs are fed in the punch card system. While in CNC machine the programs are fed directly into the computer by a small keyboard similar to our traditional keyboard. The fourth difference in between NC and CNC. NC modification in the program is difficult, while in CNC modification in the program is very easy with the help of computer. Fifth difference is here the high skilled operator is required for the NC machines operations, while less skilled operator is required for operate CNC machines. Sixth difference here is cost of the machine is less and cost of the CNC machine is high as compare NC machines. Maintenance cost is less in NC machines while maintenance cost is high of the CNC machines. The programs in the NC machine cannot be stored, but in CNC machines the programs can be stored in the computer and can be used again and again as per requirement. Nine difference here if the offers less flexibility and computational capability in NC machines, while in it is offer additional flexibility and the computational capability in CNC machines. The accuracy is less as compared with the CNC machines in NC, while it is high accuracy in CNC machines. It is requires more time for the execution time for NC systems, and it takes very less time in the CNC systems. These are basic difference in between NC machines and CNC machines. Now we will talk or discuss about part programming in NC and CNC machines. The part programming consists of a sequence of instructions to be performed on the NC and CNC machine. That is basic definition of the part programming. The part programmings are basic two types. Here are the manual part programming and the second one computer aided part programming. In order to prepare part programming, the programmer decides the order of the machining operations required to produce a component. The choice of machine, tool and cutting tools depend upon the operations. Each line of program is numbered in sequence, details of operations are stated, and the XYZ coordinates are given. Various steps involved in the development of a part program in NC systems. We can see here one by one steps for the developing a part program in NC systems. The first step will be prepare the process plan for the program, and the second step is identify the machine tool for the particular plan, and third one select the drive axis, and fourth one choose the tool for completing the particular operation, and stage fifth determine machining parameters such as feed rate, depth of cut, spindle speed, etc. And sixth one make job and tool set plans, and then step 7 decide the tool path, and the step 8 write the part program by the help of numeric codes, and the ninth step will be test the program, and 10th will be documented the program for the use. These are the basic steps for developing a part program in NC and CNC systems. Here is block diagram of the steps involved in the development of the part program. And the first block study component drawing, and then identify machine tool from the behalf of machine tool database, and the select cutting tools that also behalf on machine tool database, and then determine machining parameters from the machine tool database, prepare job and tool setup plans, and the write part program, and then test part program. If yes, then go to machine control unit. If no, then again determining the machining parameters and adjust according to our operation, and instructions feed to the machine control unit, and machine control unit read and convert in mechanical action and feed to the machine tool or the all instructions, and the particular operations are completed by the help of machine tool, and then complete the product, then inspect the part as per required dimensions, and ship to use. That is basic steps flow diagram of the NC part programming. In this slide we can see the basics of writing a part program. What are the sequence of the alphabets in a part program? We can see here. Here is first letter N, that is denoted the block number or the line number, that it can be denoted N01, N10, N02, N20, any end of a block number will select. And then the second number here is G, that is preparatory functions, meaning that is all G and M codes as per required operations, and XYZ here, that is coordinate systems in NC and CNC, and capital F here, that is spindle, feed rate, and M is miscellaneous functions like coolant off on, tool change, etc., spindle speed, and the capital S here the spindle speed, and the capital 2 the tool number denoted here by the capital T, and end of block, that is end of the particular line in the program. That is basic sequence of the alphanumeric in NC part programming as per this slide. Methods of manual part programming. Numerical control information is passed to machine control unit in the block format statement. Each block of NC data may be arranged differently, depends upon the control system requirements of the system configurations. The four basic tab format used for the NC inputs are, that is, the programming formats. These are basic four types of programming formats. The first one, fixed sequential format, tab sequential format, block address format, word address format. The mostly word address format are used for the large programmer for the writing a particular part program for NC systems. The data within a NC block is specified in the following order. The first one, fixed sequential tab format. In each NC block, same length and the contain the same number of characters are used. For example, if the feed and speed are the same for the block of the NC data, F and S must coded in each block. Here is the basic process of in fixed sequential type format. Here you can see the type of basic types of fixed sequential type format. And second one, block address type format. In sequential NC block through the specifications of a change code. The change code follows the blocks and the block sequence number and indicates which values are to be changed relative to the preceding blocks. And tab sequential tab format, here the uses specially symbol called the tab or separate data values within a block. For example, this you can see here the 50 tab 0 tab plus the next tab and next tab plus next tab. In word address tab format, it is uses alphanumeric data specification. Each data value is preceded by a letter which indicates the type of data that follows. That is an N20, that is number of line, G00 proprietary function, XY is here coordinates, and F feed rate, S is spindle speed, T is the number of tool, M is the miscellaneous function. This format is used by most of the NC machines, also called variable block format. These are basic types of programming formats here. Thank you.